Alright guys, welcome to the Anabolic Schnitzel, and today we focus on the 5 steps to UNF your life as easy and as quick as possible. We don't follow any superhuman protocol or any of this stuff, okay? So we go step by step. Our main goal is to become this guy. We want to be this guy. 90 years old, chilling in the sun, smoking a cigarette. We don't want to be this guy. No, we don't want to sacrifice our life to be healthy and die earlier than this guy. We want to be him. Alright, so first things first, be happy. Just enjoy your life. Don't overthink everything. Just do what you want to do and be a decent person. If you want to isolate yourself, that's fine, but just don't harm anyone. Second thing, zero cortisol. We want to be this guy. Alright, everybody knows him. We want to be him. Also, this should be us. Don't worry, be happy. Everything in the end is alright, okay? Don't bother too much. If you're in this situation, whatever. Just let it sink and move on, alright? So, next thing is fix your sleep. You want to be this guy? Hell no, we don't want to be this guy. We want to be this guy, alright? Find yourself a good schedule, sleep 8 hours, and stop like the phone before you go to sleep. Next thing, diet. I know, we want to be this guy, but nah, we don't need this shit, okay? This is poison. We wanna be this guy, okay? Maybe not the chicken leg, but we wanna eat some healthy foods, whole foods, and like a key factor is to get as low as possible in inflammation. All right. Next thing would be do some exercise. All right. We don't want to be this guy. We don't want to be one of those people. We would just want to be this guy. Be the damn penguin, alright? Everybody knows him. Everybody wants to be the penguin. Just do what you want to do. It doesn't have to be the gym. Exercise can be so much variations. So let me know what you think about it, and maybe we go into depth about other topics. Alright, peace out.